Hello, students. Let's read letter J as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. J as a beginning sound. Jar, jug, jelly, juice, jacket, read, Jane, July, joke, jump, jeans, jungle, junior, juicer. Happy learning!